Welcome back to another episode of Work in Progress. Today, we're excited to introduce a new tool to help with your job search. SteppingBlocks is a platform that's available for all Clemson students and is a career readiness platform that's typically used for career mapping. Let's walk through it and see how it works. When you first log into SteppingBlocks, you will be taken to the home page. On the home page, there are several videos available for you to watch in case you learn best by videos. Up top, you can search certain keywords such as interview advice, your major, job fields, and more. This will help you to find content tailored directly for you. Next is the Outcomes page. This is an interactive page that allows you to go through various career outcomes. You might use this page if you know what you want to major in but are unsure where to go from there, or this could be helpful if you don't know what to major in but know what you're skilled in. Simply click on one of the options in a column and see what options come up. Let's take a look. Let's say that you want to graduate with a degree in management. This will populate a list of places you could be hired by. Maybe you want to be hired by BMW. Now, if you get a degree in management and want to be hired in BMW, this is what it looks like in terms of where you might be working in and also what you're skilled in. Now, if you want to know where these numbers and bars are coming from, look at the bottom of the screen. This shows you the graduates analyzed as well as their average salaries. Next is Search 360. Search 360 is a great tool for those trying to figure out what they want to do in their career. You can either search by a major you want to be in or by the career you would like to have. For example, if I knew I wanted to be a financial analyst, but I didn't know how to get there, I would just have to type in financial analyst to then get a breakdown of Clemson graduates who are financial analysts. This will bring up information on their education, so what they majored in. You can see on here that not everyone majored in accounting, though 28% did. You can also see their employment, so their salaries as well as some common jobs they might have, as well as the top companies too. You can also see typical skills that financial analysts may have, and my personal favorite section, career paths. For career paths, you are able to see the exact path someone took to reach that career. This can be very helpful as you try to determine what path you want or need to take. Now, if you search by major, it can show you the same information, just starting from the major rather than the actual career. Both are great ways to find out what paths to take to get you to the career outcome that you want to have after graduation. As you can see here, everyone started with the same major, but they all ended up getting different positions at one point in time on their career path. The last section of this website is the tuition section. Here, you are able to look at the financial aspect of career readiness as you plan out your educational journey. Simply type in the school, adjust the interest rate and loan term, and you'll be able to see what the breakdown will look like. It even compares the cost to how many Big Macs you would be buying, which is a fun addition. Plus, you are able to calculate when you would break even with the job you are working to receive after graduation. Overall, this is a great resource for Clemson students. If you ever want to talk through your findings, feel free to make an appointment at the Career Center and we would be happy to help you. Hope to see you soon!